Okay, what I want to do is show you the grip of the ball. A lot of people or a lot of pitchers have a tendency to grip the ball too tight. So this is a way that you can check to make sure they're not holding it too far back in their hand so that it can come out with that momentum and that snap. And what we suggest is that you use the backward C of the ball. They take their 2 fingers on the top, the thumb will be to the side, and these 2 fingers are just laid across. They're not really a big part other than just a guiding force in the pitch. These 2 fingers and the thumb will be what pinches the ball as they get ready to snap. That's what actually happens, or I try to describe to them so that they'll know how they're supposed to feel. You pinch the ball, and that's how you get the ball out of your hand. It's not a grip and a push. So Jen is going to put her hands on the backward C, and she's going to hold the ball as if she was cocking her wrist. Now, what I have them do, the pitchers do, is pull the ball up in the air, and if they can see a space between the bottom of the ball and their hand, they're not gripping it too tight. But what happens a lot of times is when they put it up, you'll see it here. That's holding the ball too tight. There's no space there, so they need to have, put it in your hand where it's comfortable, Jen, they need to have a space there because that just means they're not gripping it too tight, and you can get that pop out of the hand in that snap. And when she comes down to snap, she's actually going to pinch those 2 fingers and come through. Now this 4th finger here is a guiding force, and that one will feel the seams a lot of times. That one will be the one that gets the callus or the blood blister on it, and that means they're throwing it right. If they get one on their forefinger, that means the ball is coming out wrong out of their hand. And how I mean wrong is it should come here to where you can still see this part of the ball, and then they should shoot the gun to where their thumb is on top. So that's where they can throw it to where the release, they should feel the pressure on the ring finger.